Watch me now. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. In a nutshell, for those of you who realize that the videos them haven't been coming like how they used to come, remember I told you that I am back to work again. What you saw before was SouFLoTV, myself, SouFLo, taking a couple of months off from my therapy job or my therapy career to do this YouTube thing, to relax, spend some time at home with family and loved ones, catch up on, you know me, I said them family thing then. But anyways, right now I'm back. Right now I'm there way in a one part, one back a bush part of Texas. Not bush, but I want city. I'm surrounded by probably about 99% Mexicans right now. But me out here I get my money, right? And that's the reason for that. Couldn't get no internet, 3 days of driving, all this other stuff. So anyway, today we come to talk about Vybz Kartel dominating the awards, the YVA awards, and we come to talk about Nesbeth walking out and going and ranting in a vehicle. Come and talk about it. Alright, so first of all, let me say this. What do some of them? What do some of them? When we telling us that the thing set a certain way already, people feel say a joke. Them feel so them can go around the thing. Them feel so them can style the thing. You can't style the thing when people lay them foundation already, dog. And I don't care if you don't like the man or whatever the case may be, what your feelings is towards Vybz Kartel. You cannot take away the work that this man has put in. You cannot take... I see some people, you know, people are so vindictive and people are so unbalanced. But look, listen. I see people that dig up dirt upon Kartel and talk about how him sing these kind of songs and influence the youths in the wrong way. We're going to also talk about these so-called Rasta, or them Rasta imposter here. We'll talk about them too, alright? So, I see people that dig up dirt on the man about how him influence the youths in the wrong kind of way and rah rah rah. Do you know how many songs Vybz Kartel sing that is uplifting, educational, and inspirational? Vybz Kartel have songs out there that have absolutely no curse words in them, and they're not anything about killing, they're not anything about anything derogatory. Some knowledge in the song them. I myself did a video called the 10 Vybz Kartel tunes they want us to stop playing. If you just type that in your YouTube search and it'll go bring up the video and watch that video and listen to the 10 songs that I gave you. See, the problem that a lot of people have is they have been blinded by the system, because the system itself wanted us to stop listening to Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel slicker than them. He went around them. I don't really want to say too much, you know, because this is the year of the man's appeal, right? And we already see how them a kick up and give the man a fight. I talk about funding illegal activities and all these things, and Alkaline is about to become a next Vybz Kartel and don't make him into a next Vybz. Right at the time when this man is supposed to be putting forth his appeal again. Right? Not again, but putting forth the appeal now. Liar them say everything Chris ready to go. Here comes the police and the other set of people them. That really politicians that don't want the man out because them know why. Now anyways, what we come to talk about today is this. Favorite dancehall artists. Why is that a surprise that Vybz Kartel at the YVA's got favorite dancehall artists? Who the hell in dancehall music worked any harder than Vybz Kartel? Tell me. And not only that, who the hell in dancehall music put out more tunes than Vybz Kartel that were catchy, infectious, wide span across the globe, expanding brand across the globe? Who the hell has been doing that more than Vybz Kartel? So for him to get favorite dancehall artists at the YVA's, that's not a surprise. Favorite local artists, why the hell is that a surprise? You know, say every time people put cameras out in the streets and them say Vybz Kartel or Alkaline, or Vybz Kartel or who you say, you know, you hear the people them say. Even the ones them that's saying something like them, I said, a Vendetta I'm saying or Alkaline I'm saying about Kartel in our own league. You know what I say? I hear them man, they set the thing a certain way so we can't go around it. Look at the videos of the people them, Pop, Chinese Pop Girl and a bunch of people out there with them camera, and I give you the feedback from the streets. This is no made up thing. No made up thing. The favorite local artist no go round the thing, it's still Vybz Kartel. Alright? The thing about it is whoever run the street now, like them say, them people are only appealing to like some picnic. Or them appeal to like a younger Vybz Kartel thing. Listen, the man catalog is so extensive. He has tunes that span right across the lifespan. Then when you talk about age groups, because you can talk from kids age group to grown people age, middle age to friggin' elders. You understand what I'm saying to you? And that's what I need to understand. Best collaboration. Come on, man. Need I say more? Best collaboration. Need I say more? Party Next Door gone on Billboard with Vybz Kartel. Them say, sample the thing. So what? It's a collab. Alright? It counts as that. Not only him. Let's talk about Shensia, the female breakout for the year. A Vybz Kartel that. And the list goes on and on. Let's talk about the best summer song. Remember, you know, a SouFLoTV say, Fever. Remember that? I'm used to telling us say, Fever my best song. Fever my thing that. Fever. Wine for me, baby. Everything, Chris. Listen to the wordplay in that song there. Listen to the way how the man arranged in melodies. You must understand the genius of actually writing a hit song, you know. Then you will understand where Vybz Kartel is coming from to pull that song out of thin air. You sit down there, you burn a spliff on your meds and you just come in your head, so. I can't explain it no better. Best summer song, Fever. The reason why Fever got best summer song is not only say Jamaica did that and Jamaica like it. That's no secret. I told y'all, and you can get on the internet and look. Sweden, Amsterdam, Spain, Italy, Germany, France, it all over the world. Wherever Fever did, Rasta, the whole continent of Africa, wherever Fever. Me don't talk. Top chart topping song. Nesbeth comes in now. Let me tell you something. And I have to address this. Some of them Rasta youth are now hold no meds. The other day, right, I did a video talking about Chronixx and Chronixx's new song. We do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Pam pa pa pam pa pa pam pa pa pa. In the video, I actually said, y'all, I encourage you guys to go and watch that video. In that video, I actually said I agree with Chronixx 100%, right? Mr. Chronixx now diss nobody in the song. He's not obligated to call Vybz Kartel name, but Vybz Kartel fan base might be a bit upset because Chronixx said he must send out, he must give out props dancehall style then. And he mentioned everybody, even big up Lady Saw and Big Woman Lady Saw and this and that, and him name everybody from high to low, low to high, and never mentioned Vybz Kartel name. But he also did not mention Mavado name. He also did, him actually throw shots at Alkaline because him say him never tell the youth for quang them and hang them. Him tell the youth them for buy a yang yang. You know what I say? And who say quang them and hang them? No Alkaline. So, now, I took that argument over to Facebook because I do that sometimes. I'm want to hear what the people have to say. Somebody who I thought was a real Rasta man. I don't know him only one, you know. Me notice enough of them Rasta man here loose as fuck. And them not, I don't know Rasta man nothing. I am no one to tell nobody about no Rasta liberty or nothing. Even though I lived that live and me still live that live. You dig? No bagger here upon your head can make you no Rasta. That's why one time I said I have evolved past that. That is what I mean. Some of them man you feel like say a bagger here upon them head and them grow out them facial beard and them always I say fire burn and them always I say lava or them always I say like them follow after highway and them follow after Sizzler and them feel say that make them Rasta. Your liberty have to clean, brother. Your heart have to clean. Your consciousness have to clean. Let me give you an example. Me go over there go see a Rasta man now. That I really believe was a stand-up standard Rasta man. The Rasta man have an argument. And I'm referencing this to how Nesbeth carried on after the YVAs because he did not, his song did not win over Fever. Right? And me don't know. So me go see Rastaman over there argue upon Facebook and talk about suck pussy boy, suck out under your mother and this and that and batty boy. Tell me which part of this so me can send me me queffers and me quengers and me, what you call them? What my father say him have the other day. Anyways, this Rasta was all over the place with theme thing. So I interjected and I said, yo, did any of y'all watch the video? Why una over here a clash with each other? Una a dancehall artist. If y'all watch the video, you would hear what I was saying in the video. I Rastaman first fire back and talk about, yo, SouFLo, we don't need to watch no video. I burn a fire over here upon heathen and pagan and rape. I say, good luck to you burning your fire on social media because it not do nothing. It not do nothing. People, real Rastaman no mix up in a bangarang. That a real thing. You know what I say? Although I am not advocating for the fuckeries. I'm not telling you who is a real Rastaman or who is not. I'm just saying, any human being, you can know them by the words that come out of their mouth. Listen to what I'm about to tell you. Something cannot come out of your mouth without you first processing it in your thoughts. Remember me tell you that. Let me say it again. Nothing can come out of your mouth without you first processing it in your thoughts. So when you hear people say, oh, I slip him slip and say it, or I slip she slip and say it, they never slip and say nothing. That was processed first here. I want you to speak without thinking. It is impossible to do. Impossible to do. So when you say certain man, I say certain things. Nesbeth should have hold him corner. Alright? Them man nowadays, them not hold no meds. Them not hold no real meds. The YVA is selected by voting, as far as I understand. Do you know the extent, or maybe it is because this youth are real, Nesbeth really feel like say his song is that powerful. It is a powerful song. My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell you my dream is to live my dream. Hear the most sign of me sleep when me see him. Alright, so. People, I want a big song that, right? But the song they did big, only in certain places. The song that really and truly never clap with like Fever. And whether Nesbeth want to admit it or not, that song did not take road like Fever did. Fever take road, Fever take plane, Fever take blood clot. You know something them ear the rocket them will lift off gas space, and them ride the Fever take. Compared to where Nesbeth went with My Dream. Now, him say the people for the YVAs, them can't frig up in meditation. Nobody's trying to frig up your meditation, brother. You, as a Rastaman now, if you know, say, what? It's an award, okay? SouFLoTV can make up one award called the SouFLoTV Award, and we can say it's a prestigious award that goes to the best something of the year, and this and that and this a go happen, that a go happen. So if you don't win one of them, then you're gonna say, you're gonna bitch and complain about that. I don't get it. As far as him talking about what he said, everybody has already seen the video out there. So I'm not gonna really forward the video there no more. But him should have hold him corner. That's my opinion, right? Sorry for the delay. A lot of people been telling me to do something on it. I just saw me feel about it. And remember, some day I road, couldn't get no internet or nothing. I'm up and running again, but things are very unpredictable out here. So I want to stay tuned to the video them. I want to make me know how to fail. Alright? Them can't stop nothing. Favorite dancehall artist, favorite local artist, best collaboration, best summer song, and top chart topping song. Bang! I'm out. What we say? Free vibes Kartel, not true. And the rest of the man them, don't it? Alright, it's SouFLoTV, man. They don't know what we do already, you know. Peace and progress. Remember that. Progress. Yeah.